Sure. Ngiyanibingelela bafowethu. Igama lami umuntu omkhulu. I'm a multidisciplinary artist. Ya, ngicabanga ukuthi khona nje into engingayenzi eyenzwa ngokukhona komuntu, yabo. Mostly ngisebenza ngomusic, ngisebenza ngamapende, ngiyapainter. I'm a stylist. So kuningi okunye ngizokukhohlwa probably after le interview lena yabo.
So ngiyazi ukuthi ubani
Umuntu omkhulu. Yeah.
umuntu omkhulu.
Yeah.
So why do you call yourself that name?
Umuntu omkhulu.
Kuze kanjani?
Ukuba umuntu omkhulu ngiyacabanga ukuthi somehow igama eliphuma from kwigama lami first name yami, uyabo.
Okay.
So i-first name yami uSibonelo, uyabo. So uSibonelo i-exemplar, phecelezi inspiration, uyayibona into enjalo. So manje ukuba umuntu omkhulu, like igama ukuthi like uma ukuthi umuntu ne uyakhona ukuthi ube kwisimo sokuthi like umuntu oziphethe ngendlela enjani. So umuntu uzwe kuthiwa kunalezi zinto ama-vibes, ama-vibrations and whatever ne. So umuntu uyakhona ukuthi uvibrate at your lowest, maybe ukuthi mawused monjanjani, and then mawukuthi like right, that's when you are at your, now uyazifeel ukuthi hayi man energy i-lighter, i-spacing is enjoyayo, yabo. So leso space space ukuthi u-elevated, you are in your highest potential, yabo. So umuntu omkhulu into engibelieve ukuthi ekhona ukuthi sonke mawukuthi like you are umuntu I-elevated to i-highest potential yakhe. That's where the name comes from.
Oh. So umuntu omkhulu ushanekizwe ukuthi ushane design.
Yeah.
Oh, drawing.
Yeah.
So uqale nini leso?
Ngisho ukuthi kahle ubu-artist bami buqale ngespantsula. Ngaqala ngespantsula uba interested kwi-art nje. Bengijayivela i-group yaseKasi.
Okay. Sorry.
Bengijayivela i-group yaseKasi Block 6 ngasuka ngayojayivela uBeshi. Yeah, so ngaqala lapho ukuthi because ngibelieve ukuthi i-dance somehow ine-rhythm njengengoma. Uyayithola. So ingoma kimi iyafana nokujiva cause into engathi yaba connected, so that's why ngiye ngagesa ukuthi ukuswitcha over to enye i-discipline wasn't much of a struggle for mina, yabo. So kanjalo ngakhona ukuthi ngiswitche ku-music. Ngiyacabanga it was 2014. Yeah, 2014.
Okay.
Grade 8. Yeah.
Doing art.
Yeah.
Drawing.
Yeah. No, not to draw, ukucula nokujiva. And then ukudraw into ya recently actually, but enhle kupainter. Ukudraw I've always had like in draw ama sketches and all of that, but encwadini net bekungayithathi ngiyise ngiyenze kakhulu. So I think it was last year a friend of mine gifted me i-pack yama paints. But mfethu mina ngiyashifta iso lento le ngizayisebenzisa isocela wena ungayibamba cause yabo. So nami I guess yavusa inspiration, yabo. Ngaqala ngapainter and then I sold i-painting A1. Ngabona ukuthi oh kuyadleka ngalayithi. And also cause kuyabona into moyenza just nje maybe ufuna ukushaya i-painting for ukuhlobisa i-room lakho or wenzela ugelo wakho i-birthday present, kugcine kube yinto khona ukuthi uyithengise. Then ngabona ukuthi hayi man, there's actually value in diving lena and ngayenza like repeatedly, uyabona. Yeah, so now I'm planning ukuthi mhlawumbe ngithathe on a much bigger scale, menginama event, ngibe nama workshop ukuthi ngifundisa abanye abantwana, abantwana abancane inyana abayi-5 nyana, uyabo. Because there's this actually friend of mine on an organization vele edila ngayo into zabantwana, so misingasipanisana nayo into ezinjalo. So yeah.
painting.
Yeah, painting. Yeah.
So music you shama EP or shama singing.
Music ngiqale ukufocusa kuwo kahle last year ne. Last year, yeah, I think it was around April. Yabo. So ngaspana no OTC, we worked on an EP, sise Josie ku Trippy Sim, and then sabuya mengizama ukuyi-release la EP kwaba nama complications and the announce i-release date yakhona. And then ngazwa spana the lab yabona.
Okay, so what was the name of the EP?
Together for you.
Oh, Together for you.
Yeah, it's Together for you. And then leyo zange iphume, remember.
Okay.
And then mengizospane the lab ngakhona ukuproducer amajita ngishayela i-EP enkulu which is out. Leyo iphumile ekusetshenziswe la.
So how many tracks?
9. Like nine tracks, 9 of the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngingasho impela.
So it's based on what? Afro, piano, kwaito, rap?
A bit of this and that. But kakhulu kuyidlalela around kwi-rap.
Okay.
Yeah, but I believe ukuthi rap has a bit of everything kwaito in but yeah. So sizame nathi uku-infuse yabona.
So yini kwaito most?
Afro. Yeah. Afro rap.
No.
Yeah, Afro rap. Of course, there's Afro and there's rap inside. So it's
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So the EP is out now.
Yeah, Spotify, Apple Music, yonke nje wherever uyatholakala i-EP enkulu by umuntu omkhulu. Oh, it's something great.
Yeah.
It's something great. I don't know, like something great. Yeah, go check it out, Ibafethu, and then tell me ukuthi which one is your favorite, because vele ngisho izoba khona i-favorite yakho ngeke ngikwenze ukuthi ngabikho. Yeah.
Okay. So abantu bekufuna socially?
Umuntu omkhulu MNTU, because abantu ababhala umuntu bambhala MTU kanti it's MNTU omkhulu OMKHULU yabo tholakala anyway ngiyastyla ngisho music mina I'm open to anything mfethu as long as uspana akuspane like yeah ngithanda ukushaya ispana yeah
okay
yeah
ne asibonge
impela
salute
asibonge.
Deadline is on there's not something mele ngiyenza. Need a little break from the obstacles in my way every day. Slowly singaphandile kwezi span esinqabile nobugebengu obunyukile. Something mele wenze something uyindoda njandini sukuzana ama excuses cause it's sudden. Unohlala prepared during ama challenge ayakhulisa ungawabaleki responsibilities. Feel like I'm losing it. Live for my kid, for this dream I give everything. Unkulunkulu kuphela ngangehlulela ngoba mangisindwa ngikhala kuye. Imkhuluma nyanyani Struma friend idlala ngani fakazi baningi blind span sami ukushaya ispan mangikhona wimark plan umuntu omkhulu uthi hayi man mangivela wangivalela indlela ngeke kube mnandi dawo speed sami si-fast blind don't carry myself around mashini ney'nkabi zami emashila ngisishaye ngayo skelemi yangisibhayi makuningi yangisishaye noma utheleka ngobuningi mina ndigcwala ngawo inthatha sithi primary mangithanda ngakaqali no lie besidinga nje plugs connected ikrah mangithanda ngikuthanda kakhulu ngokhanda kalithatha ubabo angamthatha ubabo wayangangeke ubuye
really feeling myself really feeling any fell young fell cannot give without mentioning it so I guess value as pen I'm the best, say it 3 times in one sentence. Is it back up, back nights, is it your young man? Yes, chill, so handsome, ukuzwa mamchel. I'm in same places with bigger dudes. When they ask who are you, I say who are you. Need more clues, read the paper, watch the news, share your views, nigga. Who are you? I've been in deep pockets making close move. No move simply means no groove. I live in spaces where few rule. Who's cool? Ice, whole crew. Put it everywhere I want, when you want it, give me a shout. I want me what I want, and what I want is a bigger slide. Got it everywhere I went, when you want it, give me a shout. I want me what I want, and what I want is a bigger slide.
Kama nami umuntu omkhulu bafethu, lena I like it. Iku-EP enkulu. It's out on all platforms. We're getting it. We're getting it.
Let's get it. Let's
We're
get
getting
it.
it. We're getting it.
Let's get it.
Just a joke.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
I get it, cause I want it.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Beauty's in apartment.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
All of the riches, safe and deposit. Got it in my pocket. I like it. I get it, cause I want it.
I get it 'cause I want it.
Beauty's in apartment.
Beauty's in apartment.
All of the riches, safe and deposit. Got it in my pocket. I like it. Obvious sengisebenzi, let's celebrate cause ngonyiwe. Imbewu siyithelelile okumntana ikhulile. Siphande kanzima besika inkinga. Few gigs now, see how mesifika basifisa. Seats are now clear, table got bigger. Makufika thina, sweeties become sweeter. Winter kushisa thina, ilaphu leskipa lingakherisa. I like it quicker. I get it cause I want it.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Beauty's in apartment.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
All of the riches, safe and deposit. Got it in my pocket. I like it. I get it cause I want it.
I get it 'cause I want it.
Beauty's in apartment.
Beauty's in apartment.
All of the riches, safe and deposit. Got it in my pocket. I like it. I get it cause I want it.
I get it 'cause I want it.
Beauty's in apartment.
Beauty's in apartment.
All of the riches, safe and deposit. Got it in my pocket. Like it. I get it 'cause I want it. Beauty's in apartment. All of the riches, safe and deposit. Got it in my pocket. Like it.
Access lifestyle.
It was just a joke.